Maykker Mini. This is a nice pull. I thought this was just the extension, but check this out. When I pulled, usually with the tips, it's very short, right? So when I pulled this out, look how long this is. This is a lot longer than a lot of people think. Looks can be deceiving. Big things come in small packages, man. And this is proof. All right, so now we're going to use this. Today, I have just 4 windows and 3 over there. And I'm making 70 bucks. I'm going to throw this in on the deal. But they haven't been done. Actually, they've never been done since they moved in. And I'm going to put soft scrub. Now, you could put this on your brush, water-fed brush, and produce the same results. But what I'm doing is I pour it right on the Wagtail pad. This is my water-fed squeegee. I will try to show you without my GoPro as best I can. And I'm going to actually start getting to work. And I'm probably just going to end up talking over the video like a commentary, just to let you know how this pole's doing while I'm using it.
What I'm getting ready to do is pour soft scrub on the mop. You could do this with the brush, as I will reiterate probably later in this video. And I know this may look strange to some of you, but when you understand how this system works, it's not really that far off from being strange. There's a few people that's been doing it like this. I do things a little different, but everyone does, you know. This is the best of both worlds because it actually literally gives you the same results as a water-fed pole in a traditional kind of way, but is actually cheaper, you know. And you can actually produce better results because you won't have to be so particular in rinsing process. Now, I'm using one hand, so I'm not giving you the best visual show about using this pole. But as you can see, the sections are very short. So I'm a master pole man, and I've been trained to use a pole, and I was taught to work the pole and not let the pole work you. Now, what that means is that you use the pole in a fashion that you're not walking back and forth to get the windows clean. You're letting the pole slide through your hands. With these short sections, you have to take a different approach because you have to know where to place your hands. Now, it's not something that is hard to get used to. This is a different kind of a pole. This pole was kept in mind of very close quarters battle, you know, obstacles. So you would shorten the pole as you need it. Now, what I'm doing here is, you see I'm wagging the soft scrub down. That's like a pre-clean, all right, after I scrubbed it. And then I'm going to go back up and rinse it, all right? Usually when I do that, I side pull because that's the best way with this kind of a tool because you get better results. But this pole might seem like a lot of work if you're opening and closing it during obstacles because you really can't let that pole slide through your hands unless you're used to it. Now, that's not an issue. The pole itself is very light. It's very light. I'm impressed with this pole. And the rigidity on this pole is outstanding. You know, it's a lot longer than it looks. When I saw the sections, I couldn't believe the tip was actually part of the pole, which is outstanding.
Okay, so job done. So that little pole, it works great, man. I just have to get used to the idea of the sections being so short. But I have another few reviews coming up. This must be review month. I'm reviewing a lot of products this month. So it gives me a lot of things to talk about. And I will be reviewing the Sorbo stain remover, calcium deposit remover. I'm not sure exactly the proper name for it, but Louis seems to swear by it, and you know, I trust anything he says because he's been in the game just as long as I have been in the game. And you know, us veterans, we've seen and done our share of you know, problem child windows, you know, and the best attack of getting them done. So I've never had the pleasure of using this stain remover. So comment below if you've used it and the things that you like or didn't like about it. You know, let me know if you had positive results. You know, everyone uses a product their own way, or each situation. There's a lot of variables that could play a role as to why a product didn't work for you, you know. Because I've had some products that people swore by, and for the life of me, it just didn't work for me. And it's not that I didn't know how to use the product itself. That wasn't the case. But you got different levels of severity, you know. How bad is the actual water and mineral deposits on the window itself, you know? How long has it been? How long has it been neglected? You know, these things you got to take into consideration, especially when you're telling a homeowner that you have stuff that, you know, get rid of that. You never want to tell them that. You want to tell them that I have some stuff that I would like to try that I think may work. You know, never upsell yourself where you're confident that you can get it done when, you know, because the homeowner could be let down in their expectations of the service that you provide, you know. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and job done.